Hello everyone, we got a new packet. So this time this is CPU power cable 3 pin, and this doesn't have any seal. This was just delivered like this. You can see this amazing I think it's invoice or something tag, and yeah, sorry, we just have these details. It is from FEDUS and marketed and distributed by G Technologies. Interesting. So it says MRP is 499. We got it for 300 something. Let's open it up. Some warranty instruction manuals, and so good that we got 1 year warranty in this. Send a clear picture of purchase invoice and contact number. Okay. Chief Tech. Let's move this in. Okay, so quality looks good. It's premium, and it says 6 amp 250 volt. So basically I was looking for a long cable for my 3D printer because the 3D printer got a 16 amp plug which we can't find it in our household. So my rented place didn't have that, and I got a cheap one from Amazon, only like 150 rupees, and on the first try itself it got burnt. So I was using my leg massages power cable, which is same 3 pin till now. So I thought let's get a longer cable and place it somewhere convenient, because due to short wire we were not able to move it here and there. So you see, cable is good. Check the quality. Put a link in the description if you're interested, but just wanted to give you an overview, a kind of unboxing experience, so that you know what you're going to buy, because in the reviews we'll not find much information. But you see, it's thick. So just try. I forgot what it is. I guess it's 0.5 centimeters. Yeah, this is, our scales are usually this 15 centimeters. It's 0.5 centimeter. Okay, that's it for this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.